Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about leafy greens, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with salad greens in particular. And this list is long and it was broken into two parts. This is part 2 video. I have a link to part 1 below, so make sure you see both so that you can get the entire list. Combine your salad greens with chickpeas, cucumbers, feta cheese, olives, red onions, and tomatoes. Or salad greens with chilies, oranges, and pecans. Salad greens with dill, garlic, lemon, and scallions. Salad greens with dill, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and scallions. Salad greens with Dijon mustard, lemon, olive oil, and scallions. How about salad greens with fennel and grapefruit? Salad greens with feta cheese and tomatoes. Salad greens with figs, goat cheese, and tarragon. Salad greens with goat cheese and pecans. Salad greens with goat cheese and strawberries. Salad greens with gorgonzola cheese, hazelnuts, lemons, and olives. Salad greens with lemons and Parmesan cheese. Salad greens with lentils and rice, and that would even be good in a wrap. And salad greens with pears, sherry vinegar, and walnuts. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Enjoy. Bye for now.